The goal of this project is to determine the number of fish that are actually using this fishway and to follow up on the consultant's report to make some adjustments and modifications to the structure itself to assist in migratory species being able to transit through this fishway. In 1992, the fishway was constructed, and until this point in time, we're not certain how well the fishway actually works. So at this point, we're going to initiate some fish counting devices inside the fishway and make some modifications to the concrete structure to ensure that fish can find an easier route upstream. Well, the success of this project will be determined by the results of the fish counting devices. We want to know how many fish use the system and under what water flows do they best move through the system. We can only determine that, and that'll take. We hope that the fish counters will be in place for 4 years to give us a sort of generational view of what's happening and if they're increasing or decreasing in numbers. What the general public needs to hear is that this fishway will be dewatered starting Monday, June 23rd, and the construction process should last 6 to 8 weeks. And at that time, the water will be flowing again and everything will be back to normal.